This video will show you how to run a elevation analysis. Select the surface, go up to the surface properties, navigate to the analysis tab, make sure the analysis type is on elevations, and the number of ranges we're going to have in this analysis, we might just change it to 3. Click on this arrow button to bring in the 3 ranges, and we can see the minimum point we have on our file is 15.428 and the maximum we have is approximately 36. I'm going to change my range here from 15 to maybe 20, and then from 20 to 30. So again, this is your minimum elevation and this is your maximum, and then change my last range from 30 to 36. I'm going to leave the color scheme as the default that's there, red, green and magenta, or purple, and go OK. As you'll notice that nothing has changed within the surface, we need to put it onto the correct surface style. To do that, we go up to the Surface Properties dialog box and we go to the Information tab, and we're now going to change our surface style from 2D solid slope banding. If I scroll up, I will have 2D solid level banding. Press Apply, press OK, and you can see the slopes or the shading in there, which represents the different ranges. Again, you can add in a legend for this, so I'm going to go to the Add Legend command on the contextual ribbon under Labels and Tables. Now, if you're not seeing that, the reason you're not seeing it is because you don't have the surface selected. So left click to select the surface, go to Add Legend, make sure you left click on Elevations. We're going to make it a dynamic legend, and then we're just going to place it somewhere down around here and left click. I'm also going to add in an area column over here. To do that, we just want to press Escape a few times, left click on the legend, on the contextual ribbon, go to the Modify panel and select Table Properties. Selecting Table Properties, this dialog box will appear. Select the Edit Table Properties icon here, and what we're going to do is under the Data Properties tab in here, we are going to add in another column by clicking this Add Column button. You can then scroll across and you'll see that your area, or that another column has been displayed. Double click on the heading up here to add in 2D area. Double clicking on that cell, I then left click within the black area here, and I'm going to type in 3D area and go OK. Then I'm going to double click inside the cell down here to set the parameters so the software knows what information to pull in into this column to calculate the 3D area. Double clicking on this cell, I'm now met with this dialog box, and I want to go to the Properties panel. Make sure your Properties drop down is set to Surface Range 3D Area, and then once you have all that information in there, you could change precision or any of the information that we have here. I'm going to leave it all as default. I want it in square meters. I want the precision to 3 decimal places. I want round normal, and I want the decimal characteristics to be like shown. I'm going to click this arrow button. Now all that information is brought in there. Go OK, go apply, and go OK. And then again, go OK, and you'll see that the 3D area is now brought in for all of them elevation bands. And that's how you create an analysis for elevations within Civil 3D.